The program is really good at showing how to bring impact through research, and by impact, bringing impact to society of research that's being done.
I mean, I spent almost all my life in academic research, and all the people spend their life in writing paper that almost no one read, or a very, very small community can read. Now is a way actually to communicate your research to a public and understand what you are doing and why your work is important for your society.
It clearly taps into that process in professionalizing the way in which we as technology officers work and support our researchers.
As an early stage investor, it's always interesting to see how research gets translated very early in the process into how do I actually go to market, what is actually the value of the research I'm doing, and what is actually the value proposition I can bring with this research. So I really like the pitches. I think there's quite some potential, still a lot of work to do of course, but that's what needs to be done, and that's why we're here.